Honestly, sir,
Okay, let's start there.
I got 7 sons and 3 daughters. Seriously, it's been
10.
For violation of probation. Mr. Franklin, Your Honor, has gotten everything done, excepting he still has a balance on his fines. He has maxed his probation term with this court. I can update the court. Mr. Franklin did make $120 payment today.
Okay.
So his new ending balance is $540. Since Mr. Franklin has been on probation, he has made a lot of big improvements. Given that he did complete the MRT program, he did stay in communication with me throughout all of the 2 years that he's been on. He's also he attended WCC last year for one semester, starting the HVAC program. That he did complete it and pass. However, that was really stressful for him, so he's not pursuing it right now. He is working. I know that's what I said to him as well. But given all of that, and that it's the remaining monies that
Right.
probation is asking to discharge Mr. Franklin from probation with improvement, then the court set forth a payment plan for him to pay the balance. Given that he paid $120 today, I'm asking that he make another $100 payment by the end of the month, then $220 per month, with a court review hearing on December 17th, 2024 at 1 p.m. for that docket to verify the follow through with the payment plan set by the court.
Yeah. Mr. Franklin, anything you want to say?
It's just been a journey for me. It's been like, chaotic, but I just feel like when I was younger, I couldn't like comply with probation, but it's getting better for me, like, and I don't want to do this no more, sir. But that's about it.
Okay. So why aren't you pursuing HVAC? Went to school, you did all of it, you passed it,
yes, it was so much with like, because you got to take like a welding class, and it's like, it was so much. I just, I think I would pursue it like after, I got the election and everything, see what's going on, and everything like that. I'm just trying to prepare myself and my children as well, sir,
Sounds like excuses. Didn't it? It did.
Hey, school is really like, I don't know. I don't know if school is for me, like with the homework and it's so much. I would rather.
Here's the thing. I'm listening to you and I teach, so I hear you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But I think part of what's going through your head is you got yourself in this thing. Don't know if that's for you. And so in this, for a certain respect, that becomes overwhelming.
Yes, sir.
And then the other thing is that while you're there, you've seen other things that you hadn't seen before and seen other students that are doing things that you hadn't seen before.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now you're trying to figure it out, and all those things are flying around in your head. And the problem is if you don't do something, you'll do nothing.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you're young. Get yourself back in school. Explore all of the things there. Something will ultimately hit you.
Yes, sir.
And then you're lucky. And most people are in this respect. You'll find it, you'll love it, and that's what you'll do. And it may be something you never even thought that you would do. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You can do it.
I appreciate it. I appreciate that, sir.
I'll discharge the defendant from probation with improvement. You paid the $120. When can you pay the next $100?
I get paid again October 18th.
October 18th?
And then so forth. I'm just like every 2 weeks, it's like a bi-weekly pay job.
Okay.
So I'm just jot it off.
Gotcha. So you can pay the 100 by the 18th, you think? Or
yes, I can. I can pay 100 by the 18th. Sir.
So pay the 100 by the 18th of October. And then what I'll do is I'll order How many kids you have?
Honestly, sir,
Okay, let's start there.
I got 7 sons and 3 daughters. Seriously, it's been
10?
it's been a long road, sir.
Yeah.
Seriously. That's why I get up every day, go to work, tired. I be in critical sometimes, critical condition, but I still
10
10.
and 7 boys.
Yep, 7 boys and 3 daughters.
You know what? You're going to figure it out. But I'm just going to tell you this if you haven't figured it out yet. The sons, although there are 7, are going to cost you less. All right. I'm just letting you know. Okay. Young man, are you going to be able to do? Are you? Listen,
Child support.
I know. It's just listen.
Yes.
Are you going to be able to do the $220 a month?
It's like,
I mean, realistically.
like I owe $540, sir. Like I've been on probation for 2 years and I haven't I don't know how I couldn't finish this balance. Like, sir, it took me 2 years to pay. I think I owe $1,050 or something, $1,050. And currently I owe $540 and I don't understand. With life expenses and everything going on, I don't understand. But this is where I'm at today, $540. I really don't understand it. But I feel like I can. I feel like I can, I need to comply. I'm telling you I'm gonna comply, so I'm gonna do it, sir. That's what I'm gonna do.
Nikita, asking you a question. Do you, I'm asking you, what can you afford?
I feel like I can do it. I don't understand. I've been paying so much. It's been going,
With your child support, you can afford $220.
It's gonna put me in debt until I get paid again. But okay.
So what can you afford?
That's I don't know. I don't know. Life happens.
Listen,
Everything happens. Anything can happen. I could get a call right now. It's anything. Since I don't know. Where my money is placed is basically anywhere. It's in the air. With all those children and life expenses, my money is just in the air. Seriously, sir. I don't know what I can afford. Seriously. And that's just being honest.
I know. And that's what I was trying to get you to say. Because
I apologize.
No, you don't have to apologize. You just impressed me as the kind of guy that does what you got to do. And I appreciate that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you don't need to apologize. Somehow, I can imagine trying to juggle with 10 kids. The reality is life is about you just do what you got to do.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
And so when anybody asks you the question, can you do it? It's hard for you to just say, maybe it's something else I got to do, because everything is kind of all over the place.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Am I wrong about any of that?
No, sir.
All right. So sometimes, Nikita, and I heard Miss Blair, she was just asking you, and sometimes you just got to say, I can't do this. Mm-hmm. And that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I mean, sometimes you can't.
I can't. Seriously, it's so hard. It's like a run-a-thon, but I'm not.
You're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere, sir. I apologize, sir.
I don't think that's entirely true that you're not going anywhere. It just, for you, it feels like you're not going anywhere.
Yes, sir. I feel stagnant in one position.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so you were told you had to pay the $220. To use the old phrase, kind of rob Peter, pay Paul, got the $120 up. But somewhere, you don't have to tell me, but somewhere that $120 was supposed to be someplace else. And now you're trying to figure out how I'm going to get that $120 or whatever it is to do what I got to do that I took that from.
Seriously, sir, gas money for the weekend.
I know.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Yo, you just did that for me. I couldn't even. You just orchestrated that for me, sir. That's exactly. I just had to like I was supposed to pay $220, and I had to ask for $120 just to, sir. You know what I'm saying? So that's
because
amazing.
Nikita, you wanted to do the right thing, and I appreciate that.
I appreciate you, sir.
And but I couldn't do it all, but I was going to show you because I think you're a stand-up man.
I appreciate you, sir.
We're going to do what I could. And so I can tell you what I can do. All right.
Mm.
So sometimes, Nikita, although you're scrambling around and you're doing that, sometimes that deserves some benefit.
I appreciate it.
Okay. So I'm discharging from probation with improvement. And you pay the $100 your check on the 18th. Your next check is November 1st, right?
Yes, sir.
So pay that $100. Don't do it until November 1st because somehow or another you'll be scrambling trying to do whatever.
Okay.
Pay that $100 by November 1st, 2024. Here's what I'm going to do for you. But at some point you pay it forward, and maybe you can pay it forward with your kids. And because they're going to need something, you may not think they need it, but you just got to do it. And you just remember this day. You pay that $100 November 1st, and then I'm going to waive the rest of the balance. And then I don't need a review tape.
That sounds amazing, sir. I appreciate you as well. Like, seriously.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I really appreciate you, sir.
Here's what I should. Huh? I should make you tell me the names of all 10 of those kids, but I know you're going to get about 4 wrong. Go on. I got 2 and I can't keep them straight.
I tell them I can tell them all of them. So I have Namari, Naomi, Nico, Nasir, Navier. I got Noah, Namir, and I have a Naomi.
Hold it. I had 2 Namirs.
2 Namirs?
Yeah, you duplicated. No, go on. Go on, Nikita.
This courtroom moment wasn't about violence, drama, or chaos. It was about something far more real, a man trying to survive responsibility while paying for his past. Mr. Franklin stood before the judge on a probation violation tied to unpaid fines. On paper, the issue looked simple. He still owed $540 after 2 years on probation. But the story behind that number told a very different truth. Over those 2 years, Mr. Franklin had done nearly everything right. He completed required programs, stayed in contact with probation, worked consistently, even enrolled in college for HVAC and passed, though the stress forced him to step away. Most importantly, he showed up every day as a father to 10 children, 7 sons and 3 daughters. The courtroom shifted when the judge stopped talking numbers and started asking real questions. Could Mr. Franklin afford $220 a month? The honest answer wasn't yes or no, it was I don't know. His money, like his life, was scattered across child support, gas, food, and survival. Then came the moment that changed everything. Mr. Franklin admitted that the $120 payment he made that day came from money meant for gas, money he needed for his kids. That single confession cut through the legal process and revealed the reality so many live with, choosing between court obligations and family needs. Instead of punishing that honesty, the judge recognized it. What followed wasn't weakness, it was measured grace. The judge discharged Mr. Franklin from probation with improvement, reduced the plan to one final $100 payment by November 1st, and then waived the remaining balance entirely. No review date, no extensions, no traps. But the judge made one thing clear: this wasn't a free pass. It was a chance to pay it forward to his children. The moment stayed human. The judge joked about remembering all 10 kids' names. There was laughter, relief, and dignity, something rarely seen in courtrooms built on pressure. This case reminds us that justice isn't always about squeezing harder. Sometimes it's about recognizing effort, accountability, and growth. Mr. Franklin didn't walk free because he was perfect. He walked free because he was honest, trying, and still standing. And maybe that's the most important takeaway. Justice works best when it balances the law with understanding, because behind every case number is a life, family, and a future waiting to be shaped.